Nga, kanisi nga. Kanisi, show dada nga.
Wipe stable, wipe. Wipe!
Very good.
How do you wipe? Like mama. How do you wipe like mama? Like this. Oh, mama, stir naman. Okay, you wipe. Gusto mo pa apron ko? Gusto yung apron ko.
Kailangan daw complete costume.
Okay, here. Okay, oh, you wipe. Dali, you wipe. Here. Wipe na, wipe.
Mahulog, mahulog.
Wipe some more. Ito. Ayan, oh, wipe.
Wow. Like mama.
Ayan, wipe, wipe, wipe. Sabi like this. Mama's turn na? Okay, okay, wipe.
Because there's so much talking until we get to the action.
Good job. Oh, you done na?
Ay, Dana, mama's turn.
Let's take this away na. Oh, you wipe. O sige, you wipe. Oh, wipe na.
Oh,
Uy,
you wipe na, mama's
bakit
turn.
po na sa mukha?
O na. Hindi ka naman nag-wipe, wipe it na.
Come on, wipe na,
Here,
wipe.
it's dirty pa. Okay, wipe it. Yeah, that's
Oh, like mama. Wipe na sabi, oh. Sayang.
Kuya's turn naman to, ma'am. Ay, to wipe. Kuya,
Oo.
so sabi how to wipe.
Shabby, I'll show you something. I'll show you something. So when you wipe, here, give me the rub. You don't just go small from one place to another. You do it a little wider, like that. You speed the things a little up. Go.
Okay, tapos na yun, kuya.
Bilis ng lesson, ah.
Tapos na, o na, go down na, mama's turn na.
Yay!
Ako na yun.
Oh, si mama naman.
Isa, turn na eh. Oh.
Ang galit siya, oh. Ba't mo ako ginagaya? Oh! Ha! Oh, help mo. Oh, ouchie. Ayan. Oh, sexy din ng... Mag-sexy ng waitress dito, ah.
Guys,
Baling kinita ng waitress dito.
look at the booty. Look at the booty.
Hey!
Ay, kimpi na may apron.
Ang sexy ng waitress dito, oh.
Naalila.
Sabi, are you done cleaning na?
Sweep the floor, sabi. Sweep the floor.
Tapos naligo ka na, ba't nagsak?
Eh, gusto niyo yung apron ko. Asa yung apron mo, kuya, your small one? Aware na? Kuya,
O yung towel mo, kuya, bakit?
your towel, look at the salad, so messy.